some important notifications which have come up because of the ongoing pandemic. Okay, things are changing very fast, and you have to keep yourself updated accordingly. So those candidates who are being slated to go for Air Force Selection Board Dehradun, their SSB has been cancelled till further notice. Okay, so the batches which were being slated for one AFSP Dehradun starting from 27th of July, they have been cancelled till further notice. All the students, please cross check from your respective selection board and get the latest feedback before you all move for your SSB at Dehradun. Okay, so that is as far as Dehradun is concerned. Other than Dehradun, because of the lockdown in Bhopal, the batches which were supposed to start from 26th of July, okay, and there were 4 batches which have been cancelled, and these batches are SSC non-technical 112 batch number 72992, 112 batch number 40555, SSC women non-technical batch number 42555, and SSC non-technical batch number 72993. Okay, these batches were starting from 26th of July. The 40555 batch was starting from 29th July. Women batch was starting from 29th July, and the last one 72993, that was starting from 31st of July. All these 4 batches have been cancelled because of lockdown at Bhopal. Okay. Now, other than what I am telling you, please give a call to SSC Bhopal and get the latest update from there also. Okay. After I finish off my video, I will be linking my video with the official websites of Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. All the students are requested to go to those links and get the latest updates regarding your SSB. Okay. The other notification which has come and I would like to share with you all is about the TGC entry, the Technical Graduate Course TGC 132. Online application the online application will start from 28th of July 2020 hours onwards. Sorry, 1200 hours onwards. I stand corrected. 1200 hours onwards. Okay. So all the candidates who are eligible for TGC 132, please go on to the portal. The portals will open on 28th of July at 1200 hours onwards, and it will close on 26th August at 1200 hours. Okay, so go there, register yourself at the earliest so that you are able to get the desired location for your SSB and you don't get into any hassles. Joining letter for TES 43, the part test or part SSB which got over before COVID pandemic struck us. The joining letters and the merit list has been published. Okay, incidentally, one of my students, Aditya Gupta, he is All India rank 36. He has also got his joining letter. And the further remaining part of TES 43, okay, the SSB will be held as per the notifications which will be told to you all, and subsequent the part All India ranking as well as the joining letter will be issued later. For the guys or for the candidates who have appeared in NDA 144 and Naval Aviation 106, okay, they all are requested to forward self-attested 12th mark sheet and passing certificate through feedback query. Okay, so please forward your 12th self-attested mark sheet as well as the passing certificate to the respective agencies. SSB dates for 112 course and 26 course has been allotted, but for the selection center Bhopal, they stand postponed as of now. So this was as far as my this thing was concerned. Okay. Latest updates. Please go on to the websites, the official websites. The link will be given in my video. You are also requested to get in touch with your service selection board or service selection centers. Okay, and move only once the confirmed dates are given to you. It will cause some amount of hassle, but because of the pandemic, the situation is changing very fast. Okay, and I will request all of you, whenever you move for your SSB also, please carry the additional documents which have been told to you by the service selection centers or service selection boards. Okay, there are additional documents regarding COVID which is required to be taken, and you should take it, otherwise the officials will not allow you to appear for your SSB. Thank you candidates, all the best, do well.